Give y'all my life story. If you want some lies, honestly, I don't feel like lying right now, but y'all will never get nothing truthful out of my mouth anymore. Unless, of course, I feel like it. But no, y'all don't need to know my life story. Not the real one, at least. That ain't got nothing to do with y'all. Not the real one. Let it be okay. Start screaming, you need a laugh. I'm not your circus monkey. I never gave do what you want to do. Am I a strict mom or a cool mom? I'm both. I got boundaries, honey. I got boundaries. I'm very strict when it comes to bedtime. I'm strict when it comes to getting up. I'm strict when it comes to following a schedule. And I'm strict when it comes to learning. I'm a cool mom when it comes to anything else. I mean, I'm strict and cool. Like, when I say strict, I stand on that bad. I don't know how to explain it. I have certain things I'm strict about, certain things I'm cool about. It don't matter. Yep, it balances out, honey. It balances out. Thanks, Queen. I'm unpredictable. Yes. I love being unpredictable. Unpredictable. Backbone parenting. Yes. Thank you, Queen. I be trying, honey. I be trying. My favorite part being a mom? Nothing. I'm just playing, y'all. Y'all ask me that every damn day. My favorite part is just watching them grow. Just watching them out. Nothing, honey. Nothing at all. Thanks for the gifts, babe. I do gotta go to the store, but it ain't no rush. I ain't finna close no time soon. It's a weekday. I'm gonna let her get some more water action with her friends over there with her buddies, and then we gonna bounce out. Baby, you scared to be a mom? You 24 still feel like a teenager? Girl, be scared to be a mom, because you wanna know what? Being a mom ain't nothing to play with. You got a whole nother human to take care of, honey. Be scared. Be scared. You need to be scared. Steak, potatoes, asparagus, and macaroni. This man wants steak, potatoes, asparagus, and macaroni. I'm assuming he was gonna cook the steaks, because he know I ain't never cooked them damn steaks. I ain't never cooked no steaks. He know that. Okay, well, oh Lord. Let me run to this damn store. Oh my gosh. Let me just ask him. Can we cook that tomorrow, please? I'm tired. I got potatoes. I ain't got no asparagus. I got some block cheese. I got some elbow macaroni in there. I got some heavy whipping cream. I got some butter. I ain't got the steaks. I would just have to go get the steaks. Oh, Lordy. Let me see stuff. When do potatoes expire? Because I don't feel like looking at the I don't feel like looking for the expiration date. When do they expire? Never? When they mushy? Oh, trust, I know some potatoes expire, because that's how I had all them fruit flies in my motherfucking house. Them potatoes was nasty as a motherfucking in that cabinet. Get gross going on them. Alright, so mine not squishy. They getting a little soft, but they don't stink and they not that soft. I'm just gonna take something out and see. Okay, I'm gonna ask him, can we just cook that tomorrow, huh? I was supposed to go look for the macaroni noodles. We just gonna cook that tomorrow. Oh, maybe we should go out to eat then, if you want all that. I'm excited to cook for my man if he my man. I don't know.
You're too down gangy with the gangy with the gangy.
I don't know. Thanks, Queen. I'm gonna say maybe we go out to eat or I cook it tomorrow. I'm a little lazy today. Sorry. We could definitely go out to eat and get it. Okay, thanks for the gifts, babe. Nope, I don't pluck the part. Never pluck the part. He want that home cooked meal and do. Thanks for the gifts, babe. Oh. If I could buy a house without a kitchen, I would. Oh, Lord have mercy, girl. How you gonna eat, man? How you gonna eat? He needs to cook. He was gonna cook the steak anyways, honey. I'm gonna start using my dishwasher too, y'all. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. And I never noticed in them aesthetic, like TikToks, they never had no dish rack on their counter. Is that ghetto? Like, I never see dishes piled up in a dish rack after they got done washing them. Oh, a dish rack is ghetto? What the fuck? Then where are y'all putting y'all dishes after y'all wash them? Y'all drying them and putting them up right after? Oh, y'all is reached the level of adulting I have never, ever reached. I will never reach that level. Drying the dishes after you wash them. What? Oh, the dishwasher. I'm finna start using my dishwasher, man. But what should I put on the counter in space of the dish rack? No, Because what if I feel like washing my dishes one day? Somebody look like Jacquees. I just don't know who. Okay, anywho. Hand clean them and put them in there. I don't just... You know what? I'm just gonna keep my dish rack. Let me quit trying to be like the next bitch. Let me keep living my life how I've been living it. We made it this far, man. We made it this far, man. Man, I was supposed to do that wig. I was supposed to do that wig. I couldn't wash my legs today in the shower, y'all. I was in so much shit. Should I take my kids to the circus tonight, girl? Just come over. Me and Chris will do some tricks for their ass shit. I'll get Chris to do some flips and tumbles. See what they got going on. They said when you be ovulating over 25, that shit get hectic. Well, I'm finna be 26. Lord have mercy. Pray for me. Pray for me. You've been washing dishes since 11. You don't miss it? Oh, you stopped washing dishes? I think because I washed dishes so young that I'm just used to it now. I just rather do it, you know? I just rather do it. Hey, Queen, what you up to? Thank you, sister. I cured your depression. You cured mine too, honey. He said, want to just make the macaroni? No, not really. Like, no, I don't. Unless you're talking about the mat. If you're talking about the box macaroni, I will. You know what? Let me ask him, you want from scratch or bags? Okay. Just have to go get everything. Yes, yes, yes. She knows she wants to cook. I do, actually. Now that if I just gotta cook the macaroni then, and he cooked the steak and the potatoes and the asparagus, yes. That's actually spending time together. We're gonna cook dinner together. I'm gonna cry. We're gonna cook dinner. So beautiful.
If you are a lover who experienced emotional distress due to slow internet 25 years ago, Taco Bell believes
I love it.
delicious escape. The cool Doritos Locos Taco.
That's all I've been asking. It's just a little time.
And more, all $3
Just
for
a little
less.
time.
Play 5 returning faces and relive what you love from the 2000s.
Didn't have to be anything
Suffer
big.
dial-up. Don't wait any longer. Experience Taco Bell's decades-long pay menu now.
Life is good.
At participating stores for a limited time only. Cost plus last.
Life is
Participation period tax extra.
That's so beautiful. No, for real, y'all. Like, that's beautiful. Like, that's really something. That's beautiful. I love it. Thanks, Queen. Get out my comments asking why I'm crying. Oh, if you wasn't in here, it ain't for you to know. With y'all nosy asses, bitch. Go watch the clickbait clips they finna make. They finna say EKANE crying because she just gave birth by herself. EKANE crying because Chris just punched her in the eye. EKANE crying because she just had a miscarriage. EKANE crying because she... Like, shut the fuck up. Just go watch the clips, bitch. Go watch the damn clips. Anywho, thank you, Queen. Thank you. Okay, what y'all want to get about now? Let me quit playing. I'm not playing, but let me quit being a bitch. New bill. Damn, my shit was due August 7th. My water bill. August, September. Oh, that ain't nothing. Why is she riding this bike and she got her own bike? Lord have mercy. What was I just looking up? Oh, my water bill. And it's all I want in it. In the morning, it's all I want in it. Look in the morning.
My t-shirt, I'ma feel like an asshole. I was high when I met her. We was down to drop liquor. Shake it under your skin if you let her. Shake it under your skin and take.
Okay.
I don't talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they say nothing. Remind me where I know you from. She looking like she owe you something. You know just what we want. I wanna wake up with you and find you safe for more. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated,
Okay. Let's see. What was I just gonna say? I think, I do need to go to the store. Okay. Just gonna make sure these potatoes is good. Ooh. Okay. Am I sad? No. Tears of joy, actually, Queen. Tears of joy, honey. I just wanna be liberated. I wonder, do we want baked potatoes or mash? Oh, is this mold? Is this mold? So all the potatoes is bad, or is it just ashy? Yes, it's mold. OMG. Damn it, it is a little squishy. I might as well just throw these away, huh? Oh, just cut it? Oh. Don't be happy me eating no more. I'm finna Google it. OMG. Oh, it's not mold. Oh, just cut it? We're gonna go ahead and throw these away, honey. I'll get another sack of potatoes. It ain't the end of the world. All right, let's see if I got macaroni noodles. I don't have any macaroni noodles. I mean, I got a box of Kraft mac and cheese. I can use those noodles, but I can just shred my own cheese and get my cheese sauce together. I think I got enough blocks of cheese, I think. Oh, that's a waste of potatoes. You know I don't give a damn. I'll get some more. Because that little sprouty thing, that mean it touched all the potatoes. I don't want the sprouty thing touching the other potatoes. I'm good on that, but we'll get more. The sprouts are more potatoes? That's how they come? I don't care. I don't trust it. I've never seen my mama cut off no sprouty thing on a potato. Ever. I've never seen it. So why would I cut off a sprouty thing on a potato? And I already put it in the trash can. So whatever y'all say, it do not matter. It do not matter. It already touched the trash bag, honey. I already touched it. Oh, Lordy. Chris needs to text me back if he want this food, because he going to have to stop and go to the store. Actually, no, me and Mommy's got to go to the hair store. Ooh. I forgot what I was supposed to go get to. Oh, string. So I could start my shit. That's at Target. I'm going to go to Target. I need to go to Target, the hair store. And then the card Chris got. I'm going to go to Meyer and get the food. And get the steak. Get the steaks and asparagus and potatoes that he wants to cook. We got enough butter. I'm gonna let her play a little bit more. Oh, thanks, Queen. Why you not laying down, girl? I got shit to do. I've been relaxing all day, y'all. Like, dead ass, this was my day off of school. I actually relaxed, y'all. I swear. After I got off live earlier, I went to my doctor's appointment and I came back here and I laid down for 3 hours. And then got the kitties off the bus and now it's 5:46. Y'all can't come with me, y'all. Y'all know I don't drive on live. That's how you end the page. Don't tell me green screen. I ain't been on TikTok longer than you guys. I know what works. You don't. Oh. Anywho. No, I'm not getting on Twitch, y'all. The stores is right up the street, man. It's right up the street. I'm gonna be back home in no time. I'll be back home in no time, honey. Oh, they cleaned the tables and chairs for the birthday party this weekend. I just want to feel liberated. Oh, Leo in the garage? Oh, yeah, I could do that. That's what I usually do, huh? I could leave y'all in the garage, huh? I definitely could. But I can't. Where the hell she come from? Is she crying? What happened? Anywho, thanks for the gifts, babe. I think I'm gonna go to Target first. No, I think hair store first and Target on the way back. Ooh, I still shop at Target. Hell yeah. Why wouldn't I? Oh, we gotta get water bottles too. My wig is definitely crunchy, Queen. It definitely is. Ooh, who's this? Okay, anywho. When we supposed to be studying, baby, I been got that done, honey. I been got that done. Still staring at the neighbor. I love you too. Come on, mommy. Thanks for the gifts, babe. Ooh. All right. Can you post my deadbeat BD so he can pay my truck? No. Huh? You open it. Huh? You open it. I can't. I can't. Girl, try. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Oof. Oh. Hey, Queen. I can't wait to start my string thingies. I hope I know how to start them.
Mama, can we go to the gas station?
Yeah.
We could go to the gas station?
No.
Why?
I'm out of budget, honey.
But how are
We're out of budget this year. This month.
Buying some knockers.
Some what?
Some knockers.
Because I got money for knockers.
But I want some candy.
Oh, I don't give a damn. You got a pantry full of snacks and candy. Absolutely not.
You don't got my favorite SpongeBob SquarePants Happy Meal.
And you know what's crazy? You had SpongeBob SquarePants Happy Meal sitting in my pantry for 2 months that you didn't touch.